Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and staying at home. I Kusum Saini, your English teacher. Today we will do chapter 28, Active Passive Voice. Active and passive voice. Let's read these sentences. Rita stitched the dress. The dress was stitched by Rita. The boy repaired the cycle. The cycle was repaired by the boy. The animals broke the fence. The fence was broken by the animals. Students, you have observed that I have written 6 sentences. 3 are in red color and 3 are in blue color. The pair of sentences in blue and red color are same meaning. Let's do in detail. Now, you have seen I have separated blue and red color sentences. What you can see, the meaning of the sentences are same, but there is a difference. What is the difference? Rita stitched the dress. Here the subject is Rita. The boy repaired the cycle. Subject is boy. The animals broke the fence. Now our subject is animals. But the sentences written in red color, their subject is changed. The dress was stitched by Rita. Here our subject is dress. The cycle was repaired by the boy. Now here our subject is cycle. The fence was broken by the animals and our subject is fence. That means in the following sentences, if I am talking about sentences in blue color, that means our subject is the doer of the action. Like Rita, boy and animals are doing some action. And the sentences in red color, there our subject is dress, cycle and fence. They are the receiver of the action. To understand this, we should know first of all what is active voice and what is passive voice. So let's start. What is active voice? When the subject of a sentence is the doer of the action, then the verb used is in the active voice. Means कि जो action कर रहा है अगर वो हमारा subject है, then that verb is active voice. And what is passive voice? When the subject of the sentence is receiver of the action. कि जो subject है हमारा अब वो क्या हो गया, वो receive कर रहा है action. Then our verb is used as passive voice. Active voice. How you can form a sentence in active voice? Subject who is doing the action plus verb plus object who is receiving the action. For example, Kusum teaches Ravi. Now here Kusum is the doer and who is receiving the action? Ravi is receiving the action. So the sentence is Kusum teaches Ravi. Passive voice. How you can change the sentence into passive voice? Subject. Now our subject will be receiver of the action plus form of be plus verb plus by plus object means doer of the action. Let's take our previous example. Ravi is taught by Kusum. Now here we have receiver of the action is Ravi. So it becomes our subject and form of be is we have used because Ravi is singular and because earlier in active voice we have used teachers. So now here we will write taught. By is used as a preposition in passive object. So this is how you can change into passive voice from active voice. Now what you have observed, the object of active verb becomes the subject of passive verb. Let's read this sentence. The mouse disturbed the dog. This is active voice and here our object is the dog. Now let's change into passive voice. The dog was disturbed by the mouse. So as we have read above, that object of active verb will change into subject of passive verb. So the dog who is object in the active voice, now it will become the subject on passive voice. Let's do this sentence in more detail. Students, let's learn how the verbs will change from active voice to passive voice. For example, if disturbs is written in active voice in simple present, it will become is disturbed in passive voice. Let's do an example. The mouse disturbs the dog. The dog is disturbed by the mouse. So how we have changed? In active voice, subject plus first form of verb plus s or es plus object. And we have changed into passive as subject plus is/am/are plus verb third form plus by plus object. And if it is in present continuous, how we will do? The mouse is disturbing the dog. The dog is being disturbed by the mouse. So in active voice, it is subject plus is/am/are plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. And when we have changed into passive, it becomes subject plus is/am/are plus being plus verb's third form plus by plus object. And if the verb is in simple past, how you will change into passive voice? The mouse disturbed the dog. The dog was disturbed by the mouse. So in active voice, it is subject plus second form of verb plus object. And we have changed into passive. It becomes subject plus was verb plus third form of verb plus by plus object. And in past continuous tense, the mouse was disturbing the dog. The dog was being disturbed by the mouse. So in active voice, it is subject plus was verb plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. And in passive voice, is changed into subject plus was verb plus being plus third form of verb plus by plus object. So you have to keep such rules in your mind while changing from active voice to passive voice. Students, another very important thing that you have to keep in mind while changing from active voice to passive voice is the change of pronouns also from subject to passive. Like I becomes me, we, us, you will remain same you, he will become him, she will become her, it will remain same, they will become them. To make it more clear, let's do some examples. And these examples I have taken from the back exercise of your book. The cake was eaten by the girl. The cake is a receiver, so this is in passive voice. They organized a tea party. Here there is a doer, so this is a active voice, and when we change it into passive voice, the tea party was organized by them. Now here them is a pronoun. When earlier it was they as a subject in active voice, and when it is changed into passive, they become them. The dress was brought by grandmother. My grandmother brought the dress. This is how we have changed the sentence. So students, this was active passive voice. I hope you all understood the topic. That's all for today. Be ready for your assignment. Thank you.